How to say only in Japanese, but this isn't just any only. Shikanai means only and nothing else. It often tells us the amount is small, limited or less than expected. One important rule, shika always goes with a negative verb. Let's learn how. First let's use numbers. Put the number and its counter first, then add shika and finish with a negative verb. Number counter, shikanai. This shows there aren't many. Maybe it's surprising, maybe it's disappointing, maybe it's less than you expected. Remember, always means nai arimasen. Never use it with a positive verb. Only this much, no more than that. Let's see it in real Japanese. 3分しかかからない。It only takes 3 minutes. 学校まで3分しかかからない。It only takes 3 minutes to get to school. 7人しか集まらなかった。Only 7 people came. パーティーには7人しか集まらなかった。Only 7 people came to the party. 1人しかいない。There's only one person. サークルには留学生が1人しかいない。There's only one international student in this club. Now let's use nouns. Put the noun first, then add and finish with a negative verb. This means nothing except or